Welcome to Review Lab. The best quiet blenders is probably one of the most underrated kitchen appliances, especially if you're a smoothie enthusiast or a fan of blended soups. Nobody wants to wake up the whole house with a noisy blender, right? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of quiet blenders, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one to make your mornings smoother and your kitchen a more peaceful place. Number 5. Ninja BL660 Professional Blender. Introducing the Ninja BL660, a powerful blender that crushes ice to snow in seconds. It's perfect for making smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces. This blender makes everything easy. With 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a single serve function, you can customize your blends. This blender offers professional performance for all your culinary creations. Blend large batches with the XL 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for parties and meal prep. It's ideal for serving the whole family, making it a convenient choice for any occasion. Easily mince, chop, grind, and blend ingredients for salsa, dressings, and more. This blender simplifies meal preparation, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Blend directly in the 16 ounces to-go cups, attach the spout lids, and take your drinks with you. It's the perfect solution for busy lifestyles, ensuring you can enjoy your creations anywhere. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for quick and easy cleanup. This feature ensures that maintaining the blender is simple and hassle-free. Get inspired with the included recipe book, filled with delicious smoothie, frozen drink, and sauce ideas. It provides a variety of recipes to help you explore the blender's full potential. What we like. This blender boasts a powerful motor, perfect for crushing ice and blending tough ingredients. It also comes with a large pitcher, ideal for making big batches for the whole family. If you often host gatherings or have a large family, this blender is a great choice for your blending needs. What people say. The blades are extremely strong and handle everything from smoothies to tougher ingredients with ease. Having different options makes it very versatile, and the smoothie cup is especially convenient for quick, single-serve drinks. It's extremely powerful and blends everything so fast that you don't even notice when it's already done. Number 4. Ninja Fit Personal Blender QB3001SS. This personal blender has a powerful 700-watt motor. It can power through everything in the cup. This blender is perfect for smoothies, shakes, and more. It unlocks hidden vitamins and nutrients from fruits and veggies. You can extract a nutritious drink with this portable blender. It blends even the parts you usually discard. This blender crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients. You can make resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, and shakes. It replaces juicer machines and ice crushers. It's so compact that it fits on any countertop. With easy-to-use controls, it's the go-to personal blender. It's perfect for shakes and smoothies. Blend directly in the 16 ounces single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid and enjoy your creations on the go. This convenient, portable blender is perfect for your busy lifestyle. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. This personal blender is designed to fit your lifestyle and your kitchen. It is easy to clean for added convenience. It includes a 50-recipe inspiration guide. You can get started with easy-to-prepare ideas. It is perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks. What we like. This personal blender is compact and easy to use, fitting perfectly on any countertop. It allows you to blend directly in the cup and take it with you. If you're always on the move and need a quick, healthy option, this blender is your perfect companion. What people say. It blends great and is easy to clean. It blends perfectly, and I love that you can just pop the lid on for an easy blend and go. It's good, powerful, not as loud as I thought it would be. Love it and works great. It's a good blender for how much it costs. Smells normal when operating. Plastic material feels good and premium. The capacity is actually great if you're gonna make a smoothie for you. I like it, and you should get one if you want to find a blender that's powerful on frozen fruits and ice and don't want to take a big blender out. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush Digital Blender, Stainless Steel. Tired of noisy blenders? This blender features quiet crush technology, offering powerful blending without the loud interruptions. It's designed for a more peaceful kitchen experience. The secret to smooth blends lies in the 4-tip stainless steel blades. They work with the jar's design to create a vortex, pulling ingredients in for fast and efficient blending. With a robust 900W motor, this blender can handle a variety of ingredients with ease. It delivers the power you need for crushing ice and blending tough items. From gentle blending to powerful ice crushing, this blender offers 3 speeds and a pulse function. The LED power indicator makes it easy to see when it's on. The thick, sturdy glass jar has a classic feel with advanced performance. The spout is designed for easy, spill-free pouring, making it perfect for serving. What we like. This blender features quiet crush technology, ensuring a peaceful blending experience. The blade design promotes efficient blending. If you value a quiet kitchen and appreciate powerful performance, this blender is designed for you. What people say. Solid blender. I wanted a blender with a wider base so I could also attempt to use it for chopping herbs and making sauces or dips during the cold months. It has a lid of power so it grinds all of my frozen fruit pre-try quickly and perfectly so that my smoothies turn out really smooth and not chunky. I love how it has the glass container, and not the cheap plastic. The parts are easy to disassemble to wash. Number 2. Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker. This blender makes perfect smoothie bowls. It has a built-in tamper that blends through frozen foods with less liquid. It's great for making thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and even blender ice cream. The nutrient extraction cup helps to break down ingredients for smoother extractions. It's perfect for making smoothies and frozen drinks. You can extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables with it. This blender has a powerful motor that can handle heavy loads. It won't stall, and you don't need to stir or shake the ingredients. It powers through everything with ease. It offers 6 different programs for all your blending needs. You can use it for one-touch blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. It's a versatile tool for any kitchen. This blender takes the guesswork out of drink making. It uses intelligent programs that combine timed pulsing, blending, and pausing. It does all the work for you. Cleaning is a breeze with this blender. The base and blender are easy to clean, and the parts are dishwasher safe. It's designed for convenience. You get 2 single-serve blending options in one. It comes with both the nutrient extraction cup and the smoothie bowl maker. It's a versatile and space-saving appliance. What we like. This blender includes a smoothie bowl maker, perfect for creating thick, delicious bowls. It uses smart torque technology to power through heavy loads. If you love smoothie bowls and want a blender that can handle frozen ingredients with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. It has preset options for what you're blending, but also has a pulse option. It has made the most delightfully creamy and, well, smooth smoothies I have ever had in my life. It makes fast work out of everything. It's high quality. The blades are sharp and have no problem getting through ice, frozen fruits, nuts, lettuce, and everything else we've tried. Number 1. Breville Fresh and Furious Blender BBL 620SL. This blender is where power meets versatility. It's designed to turn a rough start into a smooth finish. It has everything you need to create delicious smoothies. With 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings, it's easy to create instant smoothies. This blender can handle green smoothies and ice crushing with ease. It offers versatility and convenience. This blender combines the power of a blender with food processing capabilities. It can crush ice into snow and fold and aerate for creamy smoothies and soups. It's a versatile tool for any kitchen. The VAC-Q, sold separately, removes air before blending for smoother textures and richer flavors. This feature enhances the blending experience, making your creations even better. It's a great addition to the blender. The blade design and high torque motor deliver quiet and efficient blending. The surgical-grade stainless steel blade stays sharp longer. It ensures a peaceful experience in your home. Pre-programmed buttons make it super simple to blend the smoothest of smoothies and crush ice. It's easy to use and provides complete control. This feature makes blending effortless. The LCD display counts up on speed settings and down for pre-programmed settings. This provides complete control when blending. It's a convenient feature for monitoring the process. What we like. This blender offers 9 one-touch programs for effortless blending. It is designed for quiet and efficient performance. If you're looking for a versatile blender with pre-programmed settings for various recipes, this blender will be a great addition to your kitchen. What people say. It goes through ice and nuts with no issue, and the various functions such as smoothie, green smoothie, auto clean, etc. are great. The auto clean function works really well. I like that the blades are part of the pitcher. They don't come out, and aren't a separate piece like my old blender. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.